Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a 2022 Catalina Summit Series 184 BHS. This is an interesting trailer because it is not a new trailer, but you get the factory warranty with it. So this is the win on both sides here. So this is a camp kitchen. We have magnetic clips to hold up the compartment doors. Very cool. We got the Suburban griddle, mini fridge, a little bit of extra storage, power awning with LED light strip, solid entry step with an extra large grab handle to come in and out of the trailer. I love these. U-shaped dinette. Now this is a bunkhouse unit. They're double wide bunks in the back, so you have a lot of sleeping. GE 12 volt refrigerator, on off, very cool. Travel lock, there's no handles to break, it's just like a residential fridge opening and closing. 2 burner cooktop range, a little sink, and that's a jackknife couch, and it's a Murphy bed on the top here. So I'm going to try and do this one-handed. So pull up the cup holder, just grab it down here in the bottom, pull it out, it flattens out like that. It's held up by one hook up here. Drop that down, bed comes out. There you go, one-handed. Our shower, lots of room here. Very cool unit. Stop by, check it out. Very lightweight. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.